2005 Nissan Sentra here with a 1.8. Gonna do a blower motor on this thing too, so if you need it, click on my name underneath this video for my how-to videos. It will take you to that if you need it. So this is the headlight that's out. It's got the high beam's working, but the low beam is not. And they both work on the same bulb, so we're gonna change it. The bulb number, if you need it, 9008H13. So when you take that bulb out, try not to touch the glass part with your finger, because it'll have it won't last as long, because the oil from your fingers on those halogen bulbs can cause them to burn out quicker. They'll still last a little while, but only about half the length of their life. So we're just gonna go right back behind the headlight here. Reach down, you can see it right there. I've already loosened it. Just twist to the left and pull it backwards. And then hopefully there's enough extra wire to get it up here where you can see it. There you go. And now there's a little red clip right there back behind it. I'm probably gonna have to use my other hand, we'll see. And I pulled that clip back, if you've seen that, and then it should squeeze. Now I'm gonna have to use my other hand. So I'm gonna put this hand here, my other hand here, and pull this out. I got a squeeze on that. Okay, so I just squeezed right across here like that, and then the bulb just slid right out. So I set it back in there to show you. And so there it is, there's the old one. Now there's two filaments in there, and you can see one of them is burnt out. Well, kind of see it, but it's definitely burnt out. So we had no low beam. So if you have no high beam, it's gonna be the same bulb. So now we'll just set it back in there. I don't wanna touch the glass, but I'm just gonna try to slide it back in there with one hand. It should snap, and then that red should push forward. Now we just pop it back into place. We're gonna stick it in there and twist it. I'm gonna use both hands because I don't wanna be busting the bulb. Be right back. Up in there, and we just push it into place until she sits flat. Turn her clockwise, one turn. And that's it. So it is a little bit tight. You can move the reservoir if you need to, but my hands are pretty big and I still got in there. That's it. So now we have low beams and high beams. And I hope this video helps you guys out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, including that blower motor if you need it. And as always, guys, enjoy.